Let us study the CRO, which is 2 megahertz, which is an Hebron export product. To start with, first of all, connect to the main 220 volt AC and switch on the main power supply. You will see the indicator is glowing. This indicates now the power has started coming to the oscilloscope. To set it, put this intensity gain to the maximum and focus to the maximum over in the center. Now keep this function switch on internal synchronization internal mode. Keep this sweep knob to the second position between 100 and 10K, and then gain mode should be kept to the minimum. Since we are using this on internal mode, this will not work. So now it is this knob time selection is to be used to the 100x, and when you see after setting this, you will see a spot in the center or somewhere here or there. So by adjusting the shift, bring it to the center and then adjust the intensity so that it becomes sharper, and adjust the focus so that it becomes smaller and sharper spot. Now the oscilloscope is ready to use. Now for hysteresis loss, you can keep this on function external mode. Now this will come into action. Keep it on external mode. Keeping the spot, you will see the still spot on this oscilloscope CRT. Connect Y of the hysteresis curve CR operators through this and X axis to this, and this center to the ground of the apparatus. When you switch on the hysteresis, you can see the curve like this, where you can easily understand and work. Similar steps are for different 3 megahertz, 5 megahertz CR. Thank you very much.